Yeah. We about to have us a motherfucking party. Don't worry about the walls. The walls are sturdy. You ain't gotta hold them up. Get your ass up here. Oh yeah. We gonna get it tonight. Make sure you take care of the bartenders back there. Get twisted. Train coming. Let's go. If y'all ain't dancing, something wrong with you. I'll make them start this shit again. Start this shit again. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Before you start this shit, let me let y'all know something, man. Y'all in Area 98. Every night is a motherfucking weekend. Y'all happen to be here on the weekend, but this how it go down. We get it in every fucking night. So y'all better get the fuck up, get it going, and let's get this shit popping. Get yourself something to drink. Stop bullshitting. Get your ass off the wall. Let's do it. Raz, let it drop. Let's go.